The bank manager comes. It's a lady, and that time she was pregnant. She's like, "Are you Mr. Mukaling?" I'm like, "Yes, ma'am." Like, "Okay, please come see me in my office." Okay, I go with that lady. She's like, "Yo, you've been wanted from June."
Yo.
Like, from June. I'm like, "Okay." And now it's November. From June. Okay, what did I do? "You made fraud, you and your team. And you guys took 900K. I'm like, "Yo, I don't understand. What are you talking about?" Like, as I'm speaking to you now, there's a Honeydew police station guys that come here to fetch you. Because they've been looking for you from June. You were nowhere to be found. I'm like, how? Okay, but while we're still at it, the guys are here already. Where's this guy? They were expecting such a big, bold guy, I'm just a small boy. Yeah, is this the guy? They're like, yeah. And that time, these guys, they were 16. Look, here to fetch me. Okay. They're here to fetch a big criminal. Yeah, okay, fine. I said, they took my phone, my belt, and my shoelaces. They handcuffed me. Go straight to my retail store there.
Where was this bank? Was it at the mall?
Yeah, the Northgate Mall. And that's where I'm working.
People are looking at you.
Bro, you've got no idea. Listen to this. As soon as we went out to my retail store, now like my work colleague, they're like, "Eric, what's happening?" Like, bruh. At that time I'm working, handcuffed, my hands and legs. So the manager's like, "Eric, what's going on?" And then she started asking this other police guy. Then this guy just gave it a warrant of arrest. So you see, I'm like, "Okay, Eric, you know what? You can go. We'll just keep your job safe for now. At least give it a try for a month." So we'll go out. I'm handcuffed. These guys are 16 surrounding me, I even asked them, "So what's happening?" We're going out from the mall now, using the entrance 5. As soon as we go out, there are 4 helicopters. 16 cars. So I asked this guy, like, "Okay, fine. So what will happen now? Will you chop my head, put in another vein, legs, hands? Like, how will this work out?" And at that moment, I feel like I'm a hero because I've been seeing this moment on movies. I'm like, I'm a hero, man.
Jeez, they didn't beat you up because these guys, they can be rough sometimes, eh?
Yeah, I believe it's all about how you handle the situation because I was not fighting.
You were calm.
Calm and also trying to understand, is this really all? Because I didn't believe it. I just felt good. And I'm a hero, man. I've been watching this moment on movies. Now it's happening real. So it's like, "No, you're going to that VW Pole, silver one. Not even a van." It's like, "No, that one." Oh, okay, so why so many cars? 4 helicopters, as if now, you're looking for, best. It's taking me to that car. Same thing. We are 3 at the back. I'm in the middle. Then the driver and this other guy here. We're going to Honeydew police station. These cars and helicopters, they're now following us. I'm like, "Do you guys think I'll run?" Come on, man. Why will I run? Because I haven't done anything wrong. It's like, that's not for us to know. And that's for magistrate to answer, not us. I'm like, okay, cool then. We go to Honeydew police station. That was 19 November 2014.
Yeah.
Okay, we get there now. Okay, the same procedure. Fingers, taking me pictures, at 10 and all that. Fine. Taking me to my cell. I sit there with these guys. I don't know, It's kind of weird, like. And at that moment, I'm like, so very, I'm arrested, very. These guys are playing. I'll be out in the next maybe 2 hours. No, I'm at ease with this situation in that moment. And I'm like, they're playing these guys, man. Fine. In the next 1 hour, they're calling me, Eric. Like, yes, sir, come. You've got a few minutes to make a phone call. Okay, fine. They give me a phone, my call. I call my girlfriend that time. She's not picking up. Okay, now the second time when I call her, she answers. I'm like, yo, babe, such thing happened. Don't panic. I'm arrested. I know, no, don't panic. I'm arrested. I'm at the Hanicho police station. So kindly go and tell my mom that I'm arrested. For what? I'm like, no, relax. You remember the guy I was telling you about that he has a job opportunity for me? And like, yeah. I'm like, that guy, he made fraud. He used me for his interest, but now I'm arrested for such. Like, oh, okay, no problem. I'll let your mom. Cool. And she was the manager at this other furniture shop there in Newlands. It does 5 minutes walk from her work to our place. Fine. She does that, and then the next 8 minutes I'm now hearing my name being called. Eric. Okay, fine. Yeah, you've got a visitor. When I check, it's my mom and my stepfather. The minute when I saw my mom, that's when reality clicks. And I know, bro, I'm arrested here. It is, I don't know how long will I be here, but I'll take time. I saw her, she started crying. There I go, I cry as well. Like, my son, you are gone. And then my stepfather started, being the man, like, bro, it'll be fine. I'll try and sort it out, relax, Okay, fine. From there, they went back home. I remained there. Then later at 10 p.m., the police guy came and opened the cell for us and like calling us, our names. They call us to come out. And then these few of us, we're going to Rodibot police station because I stay in Newlands and that's where our police station should be. Fine. We go there. That was around 10 p.m. We arrived there. Same thing again. Pictures.
Yeah.
Okay. They put us in our cell and then we slept there. Before we slept, they come and give us some 2 slices and a juice. When you're stressed, you can't even eat. And that time, I didn't feel like eating at all. Fine. Now, we sleep. The front day is now the 20th of November. It was Wednesday. Fine. While I'm still at it, Eric Mukali, they call my name. You've got a visitor. Now, that's my girlfriend, my brother, and this friend of mine. They're ready to check me. It was not easy at that moment because seeing my brother and my girlfriend just made me realize that, no, man, Eric, you are going. I'm like, okay, cool. She started crying. I hug her. And at that time, you can't even hug her. And this police guy keeps saying, yeah, hug her fast so that you can go. I can't even, I just, put my face on her shoulder. That's the least I could do. But now she keeps crying. I'm like, no, relax, I'll be fine. Don't cry. I'll be home soon, don't worry. Same thing with my brother, like, bro, just be strong. You'll be out in no time. Cool. He handed me some bag with some clothes and food. This guy thinks, I don't know, they think it's drugs or what. That guy takes that bag, opens it, he throws everything down. That really got to me, I won't lie. I've never swear someone like that before.